What do you do when you have a tree limb you want to remove that's higher than you can normally safely reach? In this case, we have a number of tree branches reaching over this house which squirrels are using to get on the roof and chew into the attic for a winter home. So how do you cut off the problem limbs? Think about getting a high limb chainsaw kit. Some are advertised as able to cut up to 8-inch branches as high as 30 feet while standing on solid ground. A kit could include a 2-foot chainsaw blade between two 25-foot cords, a throw weight, and a stabilizing device to indicate to the operator that the cutting side of the blade is in the correct position. Additional items may include rope extensions to reach even higher branches and handles, either included or simply made by making loops in the cords or by wrapping the cords or rope around a stick. Now the trick is to get the chainsaw blade over the limb you wish to cut. How does one do that? Well, you could throw the weight attached to one of the cords over the branch. But let's say you can't reach the limb or throw that high, or that there are multiple limbs that would obstruct the throwing or lassoing of the target limb. What do you do? Well, you could climb up on a ladder, put the throw weight or a small weight with a leader in a slingshot, or shoot it up and over with an arrow. Some even use fly fishing rods and other throwing aids. Perhaps the easiest is to use an extension pole. The one pictured here extends from 8 to 24 feet. Add a stable ladder and the extension pole could get you even higher. It should allow you to perfectly and with minimal difficulty nudge the throw weight over the target limb so that you can snag it on the other side and pull it and the cord down with a hook attachment. Then you're in the business of using the chainsaw blade. The trick is to keep the cutting side against the limb and not to get the blade stuck. You can cut by pulling the cords back and forth. These are the skills you'll soon have to master. At any rate, you now have a reliable and easy method to remove tree branches that are higher than you can normally safely reach.